Fear. I am not good enough. This silent belief eats your energy, steals your confidence, and poisons your victories. You can achieve success, money, love, and still feel empty. Still feel that you don't deserve it. Let me tell you something important. If you repeat to your brain a lie 1,000 times, it becomes your truth. If you repeat your victory 1,000 times, that becomes your truth too. Your brain follows your attention. Where attention goes, your state goes. And your state creates your life. What to do? Human beings grow through evidence. The brain needs proof, so give it proof. Write down your victories every single day. You went to the gym. You walked 10,000 steps. You hugged your wife. You made a difficult decision. You kept your promise to yourself. These are not small victories. These are signals, evidence. Each one adjusts your internal state and builds a new identity. I am the person who moves. I am the person who grows. I am the person who wins. Do it also weekly and monthly. Fill your environment with your achievements, certificates, trophies, awards, photos, degrees, completed projects. Let your environment work for you. Let your brain see who you are becoming. When your state changes, your fear loses power. Fear of emotional pain. Many people are afraid of feeling hurt, sadness, disappointment, rejection, or shame. Fear of emotional pain is actually your brain trying to protect you. It learned from past experiences that certain situations bring discomfort, so it tries to stop you. But avoiding pain creates more fear. Facing it in small steps builds strength. What to do? Accept the emotion instead of fighting it. Say to yourself, this feeling is here to protect me, not destroy me. Take small steps toward the things you fear. Small steps teach the brain that you can handle life safely. Every time you face a small challenge, the fear becomes weaker. Emotional courage is like a muscle. You train it slowly, and it grows with time. Fear of failure. People fear failure because they think it says something about who they are. But failure says nothing about you. It says something about your strategy. If you can't do something, don't ask, "What is wrong with me?" Ask, "What exactly stopped me?" Because the moment you identify the reason, you gain the power to change it. If the problem is skill, learn it. If the problem is energy, restore it. If the problem is fear, break the task into smaller steps. If the problem is clarity, set a clear intention. Fear of judgment. Humans are terrified of judgment, especially from people they haven't talked to in years or complete strangers. But here is the truth. Nobody is thinking about you as much as you think they are. Everyone is busy thinking about themselves. If expressing yourself feels scary, start anonymously. If posting content feels risky, start privately. If speaking up feels dangerous, speak quietly at first. The goal is not to impress the world. The goal is to train your nervous system to tolerate visibility. Each time you show up, even in a small way, you reduce the power of judgment over your life. Fear of change. Change scares people because the mind prefers familiar misery over unfamiliar possibility. You may want to change your job, your environment, your life direction, but the unconscious mind whispers, stay where it's predictable, stay where it's safe. This is not wisdom. This is outdated programming. Here is what works. 1. Set a clear goal. Intent organizes your energy. Without intention, fear dominates. 2. Break the goal into small steps. Your brain can handle action. It cannot handle chaos. 3. Focus not on the big change, but on the next action. Fear grows in the future. Strength exists in the present. 4. Track your victories. Your system must see progress to reduce fear. When you move step by step, fear becomes manageable. When your state grows stronger, change becomes natural.